Sanibonani mthwakazo omuhle, siyalamukela njalo kwesinye isiqephu sethu sezindaba kumsakazo wenu we-Citizens Movement Radio. Namhla kungoLwesithathu zingamashumi 23 kuNtulikazi ngomnyaka ka-2025. Indaba lizethulelwa nguKhethiwe Chuma. Kwesihamba phambili namhlanje, uMongameli uChamisa ukhuluma ngengozi yomgwaqo eyenzakale eChitungwiza. Uhulumende uthi ingozi yeChitungwiza eyenzakale izolo ingozi eza kuphambanisa ukuqhutshwa kwelizwe. Ukudubeka yikho kuphoqelela ukuba abantwana bende bebancane, kusho ilunga ledale lePhalamende. Ake sikhangele indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. Umongameli wabantu Advocate Nelson Chamisa izolo uye wethula inkulumo yakhe eduduza imdeni yabantu abali-17 abalahlekelwe imphefumulo yabo engozini yemota eyenzeke izolo kweleChitungwiza. Umongameli uChamisa uthele ingozi ebisesabeka ibigoqela imota enkulu kanye lekhombi ethwala abantu othe kube isehlakalo esibuhlungu elizweni. Uye wethula njalo ukubonga kulabo abasebenza esibhedlela abasebenza ngokuzikhandla iloba besebenza ngaphansi kwesimo esingavumiyo. Kusenjalo uhulumende sememezele ukuba ingozi ehleke eChitungwiza iza kuphathwa njengengozi ehlele isizwe sonke. Lokhu kwethulwe ngungqongqoshe okhangelwa ngezokuqhutshwa kwezemadolobheni uDaniel Garwe lapho ebekhuluma lemdeni yalabo abalahlekelwe ngabanye babo endaweni lapho kugcinwe khona imizimba yabo kweleChitungwiza. Uye wathi labo asebelahlekelwe imphefumulo yabo baza kusizwa ngohulumende ukuze bangcwabe. Kusenjalo isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo umhlonitshwa uShine Kwangwaba usekhuthaze uhulumende ukuba athathe elinye inyathelo ngokubhadala indleko zesibhedlela zalabo abalimeleyo kule ingozi. Ake sizweni umhlonitshwa uKwangwaba ekhuluma lentatheli izindaba yethu.
The government should stretch its hand to try and assist on medical bills. As you understand, we have got a few people who survived the crash but are admitted at our government hospitals that lacks some essential basic medicines and essential facilities. So we encourage the government to assist in footing those bills so that our beloved ones who survived the crash, they get treatment.
Omela omama edale lePhalamende esabelweni saseMashonaland West umhlonitshwa uMutha Mrombezi usewaphinda njalo kungezelela ilizwi lakhe ukuba uhulumende kumele athathe amanyathelo ukuze kwenqabe ukwendiswa kwabantwana abancane. Uye wakhuluma izolo ePhalamende. Umhlonitshwa uMrombezi uthi emaphandleni ukudubeka yikho kuphoqelela ukuba abazali bendise abantwababo bebancane ukuze bathole ukudla. Ake sizweni umhlonitshwa uMrombezi ekhuluma.
Madam Speaker, climate change is not just an environmental crisis, it is a social and gendered crisis. When floods wash away fields in Bire or prolonged dry spells hit Gokwe, poverty intensifies and with it, harmful practices thrive. Unless we tackle the climate crisis and build resilience in our communities, through irrigation schemes, drought-resistant crops, and social safety nets, our efforts to end child marriage will be undermined because every climate disaster resets families to survival mode, where girls are the first to be sacrificed. Madam Speaker, to break this cycle, we must act on several fronts. Number one is to strengthen enforcement of the law. Our chiefs, headmen, and religious leaders must report child marriages. Let's prosecute cases swiftly. Madam Speaker, we must also harmonize marriage laws. We must finalize the alignment of the Customary Marriages Act with the Constitution to close all loopholes. Number three, Madam Speaker, we must invest heavily in education. We need to expand BIM to cover not just fees, but uniforms, sanitary pads, and transport. Poverty must never push a girl out of school. Number 4, Madam Speaker, community education. We must use churches, chiefs, courts, and radio stations to teach that marrying a child is a crime, not a solution. Number 5, Madam Speaker, we need to work with the churches, encourage councils like the Apostolic Christian Council of Zimbabwe to adopt and enforce policies that protect children. Madam Speaker, let me speak for the girl in Mondoro who whispered to me, she was just 15 with a baby on her back, her dreams shattered by a forced marriage arranged by her own relatives. We as Parliament owe her an answer. We need to be bold, Madam Speaker. We must not only talk, but act. We need to resource our ministries, pass laws, and hold those who exploit children to account, including parents and church leaders. Madam Speaker, every child bride is evidence that we have work to do. We must be remembered as the Parliament that broke the vicious cycle of poverty.
Esinye sesiphathamandla kubandla eliphikisayo uGift Ostalos Siziba usethe izakhamizi azitholi lokho kumele zikuthole ngemali ezibhadala ngemthelo. Kungxoxo abelayo lomunye wezifundiswa uNqobizitha Mlambo, uComrade Siziba uthi izizalwane zaseZimbabwe zibhadala imali yemthelo ephezulu kakhulu kodwa akukho kuveza lokho. Uye wakhala ngesimo sezibhedlela lokungakuqhutshwa kwemisebenzi encedisa abantu ukuphila imihla lamalanga. Lapho athe loba uhulumende eqoqa imali esabekayo ngedola leMelika ezakhamizini ngendlela zokuthatha imithelo akukho kuveza ukuba iyangaphi leyo mali. Ake sizweni enye ingxoxo yabo.
Thank you very much. I think that Zimbabwe must answer questions of reducing inequality. We must have a program as a country, a national program of reducing inequality. It must be an urgent program led by the state deliberately to ensure that all policies, all government programs, all expenditure of the state must be earmarked towards reducing the inequality gap. That is what we must do. Secondly, we must look at the questions of tax justice in the country, not just locally, but also internationally. Let's go back to the UN Tax Convention. We must also ensure, because we don't exist in isolation, we must also, as a country, make sure that we benefit from the Addis expertise on tax. Because the African Union has got the expertise that must help the country for now looking at regional solutions to the question of tax. And obviously, as we propose, some of us are convinced that a wealthy tax is important, but it must be a state that is led by stewards. The politics of the country must be fixed. And I think we've invested conversations on the politics. So that is important, because the state that must collect tax must be an honest state. It must be a transparent state. It must be an accountable state, so that those that pay tax to the country know that they go to roads. As a business person, if you are paying tax, at least you must access your workplace. You must not go to work via portals. Right now, you see that there are these applications, that in-drive applications that tell you that you are approaching a portal. That must not be the case. So we must ensure that when we pay tax, we must also benefit. And more importantly, we must ensure that our politics is aligned to these realities and global.
And how should tax work for women in 1 minute?
Of course, it is important, because women are the most vulnerable. Those that deal with tax in the country must also wear their gender lens.
Okay.
Policymakers ought to, at all mature times, wear their gender lens when they look at issues of tax justice in our country.
Thank you very much, Comrade Ostalos.
Ngesibuyele njalo kudaba lwethu oluhamba phambili. Isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo uSenator uJemerson Thimba uselethe induduzo yakhe emdenini yalapho abalahlekelwe imiphefumulo yabo engozini yemoto eyenzeke emgwaqweni waseChiseke eChitungwiza izolo. Uthe ingozi le iveza khona ukwehluleka kukahulumende ukuba alethe indlela ezingcono ezokuthutha abantu kwele Zimbabwe, lokhu okutshengisa ukuba asilabo ubuthungameli obuqotho. USenator uThimba uye wathi njalo uhulumende akaqakathekisi izinto kumele azenze, uqakathekisa ukuthengela iziphathamandla izimota kulokuba asebenzise leyo mali ekulungisisweni kukaloliwe ozaba indlela engcono yokuthutha abantu ukuze kuphungulwe izimota emgwaqweni. Umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio uye waxoxisana labanye bethu ukuba sizizwe kahle kahle ngezingozi ezenzakala emgwaqweni, lokho sokulethe ukuba isizwe sibe phakathi kokuzila.
We are very saddened about the situation that has happened. This accident wouldn't have happened if we had a caring government. We are really disturbed about the events that are taking place in our land because the so-called government doesn't really care. Even if such happens, they will still come and act as if they care. But it's not what they do. We are very sorry. We are in prayers with the families that are affected. As Zimbabwe, we all affected. May their souls rest in peace.
Zimbabwe is a death trap. The poor, old, dilapidated roads, which are a result of a failed leadership within the country, are increasing accidents. 17 people recently lost their lives due to bad governance. Lives could have been saved. My heart condolences to the families who lost their loved ones, and we wish those still recovering a speedy recovery. It's so pathetic the way our beautiful country is governed by a clueless and heartless leadership.
Muri yeZimbabwe makadii? Tinosangana kuchiitiko chinosuwisa chezuva ranhasi chekunzwa kuti tine dzimwe hama dzedu neshamwari senyika yeZimbabwe tinongoramba takatarisa parufu rwaitika urwu chiitiko chinosuwisa chisingafadze. Saka tinongoti dai mweya yavo yagona kuzorodzwa yazorora murugare. Tongotenda hurumende yedu nechidimbo chagona kuratidzira kuzuva rinonzi nhasi kuti yatorawo chiitiko ichi senational disaster. Saka izvozvo ndinoona senge zvinenge zvisina kungokwanira chete zvinongoperera izvozvo. Nokuti vanhu ivava vatofa vachitoendawo kumarikicho vachitotambudzika zvakatopfuurikidzisa. Saka ndinotoonawo kuti mhuri dzavo dzazosara dzichitotamburisisa kudarika zvandichitoona vabereki vavo kuti ko vabereki vanga vachinhonga svosve nemuromo vafa vachinhonga svosve nemuromo ko vana vamwe vacho vakutoenda chipambi vamwe vakutotorawo madrugs. Saka hurumende yedu dai yaifanana nedzimwe hurumende isiri hurumende yehumbimindoko yaipoto ichito inonzi accident fund kuitira kuti vanhu vanenge vasara vagone kubatsirikana. Chiitiko chavaita ichi kavari kungobatsira chete vafa ko vanhu vanga vachiriritirwa nevanhu ivava vari kuzosara vachiita sei. Izvozvo itaishuvira kudai zvanazvo kunogadziriswa. Pavaita state of emergency papapo vaifanira kuzvitone kuzvipatara nekumauniversity kuri kunzi malecturers ari kuvhara havasi kudzidzisa, mateachers ari kustrike. National disaster ese anofanira kuti aitwa unotori rufiro nokuti kune vana vari torikoko vari kutourayiwa nehurumende yatiinayo. Zvakare zviitiko zvematsaona emumugwagwa aya matogets tinawo mari dziri kutorwa, mutero iri kubhadharwa, asi nzira hadzisi kugadzirwa, nzira dzizere makomba, nzira dzichiri dzakamanikana, nzira hadzina kuvhurika. Sekunyika dzakaita kunana South Africa kune mafreeway okuti vanhu vanonyatsofamba vakanyatsosununguka. Saka hurumende dai yanga yagona kunge ichingogadzirisa ipapapo dai yaiteererawo zvinotaurwa nevanhu nesusu vagari isusu. Asi handina tarisire kuti inoteerera nokuti hurumende inombunyikidza vanhu. Izvezvi vanenge vakatoisa zvimuti munzeve vachitotukirira futi kana tichiisawo mashoko iwaya. Handiri kutendai. Tinongoti vanhu vari kuenda kunhamo musamhanye, vari kufamba nengoro dzemoto musamhanye, fambai zvakanaka. Nezoro raAgastiri vanhu ngavafambe zvakanaka, vatyaire musatyaire makadhakwa, zvinoita kuti vanhu varasikirwe neupenyu. Ndiri kutendai.
Maswera sei hama dzinodikana pano paCitizens Movement patiri kusangana pano. Ndichiti ndine urombo zvikuru nemashoko akadai atiri kugamuchira ehama dzedu dzakarasikirwa neupenyu nezuro muna Seke Road paUnyani Bridge kuchitungwiza. Ndine urombo zvikuru kuti vana veZimbabwe tarasikirwa nevanhu vakawanda, almost about 17. Ndine urombo hama dzangu kuhama neshamwari, kuvadikani varasikirwa nehama dzavo, varasikirwa nevana, varasikirwa nana baba, varasikirwa nemabreadwinner mumhuri mavo. Ndoti Mwari vakunyaradzei hama dzangu, zvinhu zviri kutirwadzawo sevana veZimbabwe. Ndinongoti chemai, tiri kuchema pamwe chete rufu rwamakasangana narwo, tiri kuchema tese pamwe chete tiri vana veZimbabwe. Itirwai zvakanaka panguva dzakadai kuoma, ndoziziva kuti zvinorema, asi Mwari vakunyaradzei, Mwari vakuitirei zvakanaka, Mwari vakukomborerei, vakunyaradzei kurwadziwa chironda chamabayiwa nacho. Tese senyika tiri kuchema nemi. But zvisinei, regai tiende panyaya yedu. Tiri kuda kutenda zviri kutaurwa navatimba. Vatimba vane mashoko enyu amanyaradza kuhama neshamwari dzakarasikirwa neupenyu, uyezvewo muchitaura maringe nemiriro akaita marodzi edu munyika. Ichokwadi marodzi edu muZimbabwe haana kumira zvakanaka. Marodzi edu haana mapedestrian, marodhi edu haana kurongeka marodhi edu. Saka dai kuri kuti hurumende yagadzirisa kazhinji panyaya dzemimigwagwa, mamiriro akaita mumigwagwa yedu yenyika, tiri kurasikirwa nehama dzakawanda zvikuru maringe nemarodhi accident ari kuitika munyika. Uyezvewo taikumbira bandiko remapurisa ratingati retrafiki ngavashande vachichengetedza mitemo munyika. Ngavarege kuti traffic police vari kumhanyira kuda chioko muhomwe, vasingazive kuti driver ari kudhiraivha uyo akakwana here, ane zvinhu zvakakwana here pakudhiraivha, akakodzera kuti adhiraivhe here. Nokuti kune vamwe vana vadiki vari kungoti as long ndiri pasteering, kuti atarise kuti akatakura ruzhinji rwevanhu, anoona kunge akatakura matsaga echibage kumashuruko. Vanhu vanozazana mukombi, kuzazana zvokuti kana even accident ikaitika, munhu agone kujamba, munhu agone kusvetwa nokuti tinenge takatsimbidzana. Saka dai kuri kuti hurumende yauya nemutemo wekuti vanhu ngatizivei vanhu vari kupinda mukombi, uyezvewo nemagonyeti edu mandingati mabig transport anoenda kudzimwe nyika, ngatizivei nguva yekutanga basa nenguva yekurara nenguva yekupedza basa, nokuti dzimwe nyika dzinotopawo nguva yekuti aiwa kana nguva yakasvika pakadai ndinorara. Saka ngativei nemitemo yakadaro. Uyezvewo taikumbira kuti purezidendi waNelson Chamisa vadai vashayikirwa nevatsigiri vavo ngavaende kune hama idzodzo vanochema novamwe. Bhaibheri rinoti chemai novanochema, farai novanofara. Saka semhuri inotungamirirwa navaChamisa tiri kuchema nohama idzodzo, tiri kuchema nawo tiri kumira nawo kuti dai Mwari vavanyaradza, Mwari vavaitira zvakanaka panguva dzakadai dzakaoma kudai. Thank you very much. Thank you very much hama dzadiwa. Kune vose vari padhuze muchitungwiza, ngatiendei tonobatirana nehama dzakashayikirwa nehama dzavo. This is a national disaster. Let's not ignore it. Let's go and support, even nokungobudisa kuti mari wokuti vanhu vabatsirike parufu ihwohwo. That's very very important izvozvo. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Ngenxa yokwanda kwenani lezingozi ezenzakala emgwaqweni ngezimota zokuthutha abantu amakhombi, imbuzo isiye yalethwa ukuba kwenzekani ngamabhasi akoZUPCO la alethwa ngokusemthethweni ngu-Emmerson Mnangagwa eminyakeni embalwa edlulileyo. Isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo uSam Kondongwe uye watshela umsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio ukuba u-Emmerson Mnangagwa usehlulekile ukuletha izithembiso zakhe lezo azenza kuzakuyiwa ekhethweni ezifana lokuthuthwa kwabantu langendlela ezingcono ezithiphileyo ezokuthwala abantu. Uye wasola ibandla leZANU-PF ngokubulala inkampani yeZUPCO ngenxa yenkohlakalo. Ake sizweni uKondongwe ekhuluma.
It's so heart-rending and it's so sad that we are losing precious lives on the roads through accidents involving combis, and it is very very sad that a few years ago, Mr. Mnangagwa commissioned Zupco buses, and he said these are going to be efficient, they are going to provide efficient and reliable public transport system. Yet this was just a political promise, an electoral promise that was made to the electorate, so that they vote thinking Mnangagwa has got a solution for our transportation system in Zimbabwe. When these Zupco buses came, some came from Belarus. We were told buses are coming from Belarus, and some other companies also joined in, provided their buses to be Zupco to ferry people. But within a short period of time, the Zupco buses disappeared. The true picture of ZANU-PF. Corruption had started, and now we are back to zero, and they came to Mshikashika, and because they saw an opportunity to also provide transport to desperate travelers. And the police are not also helping either, because instead of them doing the proper job, they receive $5 for a combi to pass on the roadblock. They chase combis, and precious lives are being lost, and it is very, very unfortunate that the corruption of ZANU-PF is causing all these turmoils, is causing all the deaths of loved ones. It's so sad that a family will lose 3-4 people in an accident, and we don't see this as an emergency call to make sure we rectify the transport system in Zimbabwe. It's so sad that when this Zupco came in, instead of taking it as an advantage to the transport system, ZANU-PF saw an opportunity for looting, for corruption, and for nepotism. They started giving positions to their loved ones, to people who don't even know anything. A person who didn't even qualify to be a class monitor in 5D, he was given the authority to manage Zupco buses, and in a few moments those buses have disappeared from the roads, and the carnage in the road is so touching and disheartening. May ZANU-PF, may ED Mnangagwa please expedite the rectification of the roads and the system, the transport system, so that we preserve precious lives.
Usopolitiki webandla eliphikisayo uJob Sikhala izolo uye wasungula imizamo yokuthola imbadalo kwesinye sezigebenga sebandla leZANU-PF Isawo Mutano, owaphambaniswa ukuvulwa ngokusemthethweni kwebhuku lakhe alibhalayo elithi Footprints in the Chains endaweni yaseCharles Austin kuviki ephelileyo. uSikhala izolo uye waphosela emakhasini akhe okuxhumana incwadi ebeveza ukuba uMutano usesilandwe inkantolo ukuba abhadale imali kuSikhala. Uphiwe ilanga kusiyafika kusasa ukuba ayibhadale leyo mali, iloba uza kubhekana lenkalo yomthetho. Owayengungqongqoshe kwezokubukiswa ngaphandle kwelizwe uWalter Mzembi kubikwa engaphilanga kuhle ejele. Lokhu kuye kwethulwa ligqwetha lakhe eliphila lise-United Kingdom uBrighton Mutebuka. UMtebuka uthi uhulumende uyavimba ngazo zonke indlela zokuba azame ukumtholela imithi. Uye wangezelela njalo ngokuba impilakahle kaMzembi lokhe isehla usuku ngosuku. Nxa imithi yakhe ingatholakalanga, uyesabela ukuba uMzembe angeke aze afike ilanga lakhe lenkantolo elizayo. Kwele Mozambique, I-Ofisi ka-General Attorney i-BGR izolo yethesa isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo uValencio Mondlane amacala amahlanu mayelana lembhikisho yabakhona kuvelwa ekhethweni. Amacala lawo etheswayo ngodlame kanye lokuzama ukubulala. uMondlane uye wethula umbiko izolo lapho abesola khona i-BGR ngokumhlukumeza ngezepolitiki. Uye wasola njalo uMongameli uDaniel Chapo ngokwehluleka ukugcwalisa izithembiso zabo abazivumelanayo lapho beze benze imihlangano emibili. Yesikhangele kwezemidlalo emidlalweni yenguqu yabomama i-Women Africa Cup of Nations i-WAFCON kwi-semi-final edlalwe izolo kusihlwa iqembu laseNigeria lihlohle emzuzwini yokugcina ukuze linqobe iqembu lase-South Africa 2-1. Komunye umdlalo njalo iMorocco iye yeza ngemuva ngemva kokuba ihlohlwe kuqala liqembu laseGhana. iMorocco iye yaphindisela igoli ngehlandla lesibili lokhu okubaphoqelele ukuba kungezelelwe isikhathi. Esikhathini esingezelelweyo iMorocco iye yanqoba sekuvelwa kuma-penalty 4-2. Umdlali wokuma-Warriors uMnashe Garananga izolo uye wadlalela iqembu lakhe umdlalo ogcweleyo ele-FC Copenhagen lapho benqobe i-FC Drita ngamagoli 2-0 bekhangelele ukungena ku-UEFA Champions League. I-Rangers yona iye yanqoba iPanathinaikos ngegoli 2-0. Umqeqeshi wabo omutsha uRussell Martin uthole ukuqalisa kuhle lapho eqale ngokunqoba. Kuma-return leg akhangelelwe ukuba aza kudlalwa kuvikezayo ngoLwesibili. Iqembu leNgilandi labomama lenguqu elaziwa ngokuthi ngama-Lionesses izolo badlulele phambili emncintiswaneni ye-European Champions League ngemva kokuba benqobe iqembu lase-Italy. iNgilandi kayiqalanga kuhle ngemva kokuba ihlohliwe emzuzwini engama-33 ngulowo wase-Italy uBarbara Bonaccia, kanti njalo labo bathola igoli labo lokuqala emzuzwini engama-86 ebelidlohlwe nguMichel Akemeng. Lokhu okubenze badlulela bangezelelwa esinye isikhathi. uChloe Kelly uye wahlohla igoli labo lesibili ngemva komzuzu angama-90. Lokhu okwenze iNgilandi yadlulela phambili. Sebeza kubhekana lelizwe laseGermany loba eleSpain okuza kuya ngemiphumela eza kudlalwa namhlanje kusihlwa phakathi kweGermany leSpain. Ukuziphetha lezi indaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio nanze besihamba phambili. uMongameli uChamisa ukhuluma ngengozi yenzakale eChitungwiza izolo. Ingozi yomgwaqo yenzakale kwele Chitungwiza isibikwe ukuba ingozi eza kuhlukumeza isizwe. Ukuhlupheka yikho kuphoqelela ukuba abantwana bende bebancane, kusho ilunga ledale lePhalamende. Siziphetha lapha lezi indaba.